Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLume 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
What's behind the slipping interest in electric vehicles in Texas? A recent survey by AAA reveals that only 16% of Americans are very likely to buy an EV as their next car, the lowest percentage since before the pandemic. So what's holding people back from making the switch? High battery repair costs and purchase prices are top concerns, with many worried about how much it'll cost to keep those batteries charged. And let's be real, who doesn't love a good road trip? But with long-distance driving comes the daunting question: where will I find charging stations along the way? That's exactly what AAA is warning us about: the need for better electric vehicle charging infrastructure across Texas and America. As Doug Shoup, communications manager for AAA Texas, puts it, having reliable charging facilities all over the state will be key to getting people comfortable enough to make that EV purchase. But there's some good news on the gas front. Prices are lower than they were last year, 40 to 50 cents less per gallon of regular unleaded. That's music to many drivers' ears, especially in Bexar County, where the average gas price is now just $2.77. So what can you do to maximize your fuel efficiency and stretch those dollars further? For starters, try implementing a few simple daily routines, like checking your tire pressure regularly, using cruise control on the highway, or even just driving more smoothly. At ElectroDrive News, we're keeping an eye on the latest developments in electric vehicles and charging infrastructure. Stay tuned for more updates on this story as it unfolds. And if you have any thoughts on how to boost EV adoption in Texas, share them with us in the comments below.